On Instagram, it is possible to share someone else's stories into your stories. So in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly on how you can share other people's stories into your stories. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more of Instagram tips like this. Without further ado, let me show you how you can share other people's stories into your stories. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app and then just find the story that you want to repost it. So for example, let's go to Instagram. Okay, for example, I want to repost this, alright, into my story. So all I have to do is just click on the airplane icon at the bottom right. Okay, click on this. Okay, and then you can see at the bottom, there's this option to add to story. Alright, just click on that. And then you can click it to your story. You can also put in tag, sticker, just add whatever that you want, just like how you can do it in normal story. After that, you just have to click save to your story. So of course there's some requirement on this. In order for you to share your story into your own story, that account have to give permission first. So how to give permission is just settings that I will show inside one of my videos. Only once they click on that setting, then only you can share their stories, and the account will be public. If not, you can't share the stories as well. Alright, then after a while you get to see it appear in your story. So you have shared people's story, and it is that easy as that. So this is a good way for you to have engagement. Turn on the settings for yourself so that they can share your story, but at the same time you can interact with them as well by sharing their story. So I have people that like my story which is from their own account, so which is great. It increases engagement. So share each other's stories, if you find it relevant or motivating, or you want to let people know about this, and have fun sharing other people's story. I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.